What's up, guys? We are, oh my god, I'm about to crash. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally got the Silverado fixed, man. We freaking broke that thing. We hit the curb and the flub, but more than anything, man, we got that thing back fixed in A1 again. It's at the house riding smoother than before, man. So I can't wait to have something else come up that we got to go get a bike or something, because we know that our truck will be able to get us there and back with no issues, man. But meanwhile, we are starting this one off a little bit different today, man. We are in a Lambo on our way up to Harley Davidson right now. Now we trying to find all the little screws that we need to put this bike back together. So we're gonna try to get this done today and see what's good. Meanwhile, man, if we don't touch the bike today, you guys will be able to follow me and see what we doing today anyway, man. So stay tuned. You guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We might even go check out the wide body Hellcat and see the update on that thing, man. So stay tuned. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win a whole ooh and ah giveaway, man, you guys know we're giving away our 2020 dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO. Yes, man, the bike and the truck, the bike will be on back of that thing. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, second place you get a wide body Hellcat and a matching bike. Third place we got a Road Glide up for grabs, man. You guys know we stay with the Road Glides on deck, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either one of these prizes, man, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. All it takes is a little bit of support, man, and you never know. We could be pulling up to Yojo with one of these bikes, or you could be coming out to Houston picking up the truck and the bike, or the Hellcat and the bike together, man. It's all up to you at the end of the day. I definitely appreciate your support, man. It's time to go yay. About to go up to Harley, see if they got any new bikes up there, and in the process, see if they got the parts we need to put our 2020 together, because it's been sitting in the garage, and I'm ready to get that thing clean and looking good again, man. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get this show on the road now, gang. Alrighty, guys, we finally made it back up to Harley. I feel like we ain't been up at a Harley Davidson in like forever, man. Y'all see the sign on it, man. Let's see if they got any new models up in here. I doubt they got the one I'm looking for. Y'all know I'm looking for the Road Glide Special, the 2023 with all the oohs and ahs. When I come across it, I will show you guys. But I'm about to go up in here and see if they got the parts. I don't want to film because y'all know they be tripping sometimes. So we gonna start it off slow and see what we can get going, man. Let's get it. All right, man. So they got most of the parts we need, man. They got this 2023 CVO Street Glide. Y'all know this color came on the 2022s on the Road Glide. So they made this color for the 2023 Street Glide. So if you guys like the bat wings and all that stuff, y'all know where to come. See, that's what I should be doing on mine, is this color matched saddlebag support. I think I'm gonna do that on my next bike. Do the color matched saddlebag support so it can all flow real CVO style. Y'all see how they coming. I got a few bikes in here though. I'm actually looking for the 2023 with the gray, blue, and red, but they got this this black and orange thing I've been seeing a lot lately. You guys remember when it first dropped? I believe we was like in Daytona Beach last year when this thing first dropped, or at least when I first seen it. But if you look pretty close, you guys should see the Harley logo and all that in there. Pretty cool bike, but you guys know I'm not really a big fan of the black. However, they do got it in the all black, and then they do got it in the all like chrome. I'm sure with the chrome you can make this thing look really, really sick. Throw like some more chrome legs on there, get some orange accents, and just bring that chrome to life way more. It'll look sick. Then again, the black would look way sicker. I don't know what y'all think about it, man. Let your boy know in the comments below. I'm trying to see. I thought they had that other Road Glide special up in here, but we probably gonna have to go to another Harley Davidson dealer to check it out. My guy just pulled up on me real nice, sick and swift, man.
I was like, let me see who got that, man. Yeah. Get everything right, man.
Hey, yeah, you see me here. I'm trying to get the parts for the bike, man. We trying to get it on the road, man. It's like the little stuff for me now.
Oh yeah.
So I can't wait,
it's
man.
The hard thing is getting the parts, man. But once you get everything
right, it's all, man. Come on, man.
It together.
So I see you work here, man. What you riding, man?
I'm riding a Street Bob right now.
Street Bob?
Yeah, 2018.
Yeah, video.
Yeah, video. You see what this guy's doing? He got a few bikes, man. Putting them together. Yeah, man, we put them together.
Some real fast Harleys, man.
Yeah, man, some big boys.
Nah, I appreciate it, man.
You still got the CVO, right?
I still got the CVO.
Yeah.
And he's even giving us a shout out on a few of these other bikes.
Oh yeah. I was checking out the Street Glide CVO y'all got over there.
Yeah.
I was looking for some more 2023s, but you know I'm gonna have to go search around these other Harleys and see what they got.
Yeah, man, they coming out. They just slowly but surely.
Right. I know how it is. Yeah.
Man. Just waiting on them.
Hey, man, I can't wait, bro. What was your name again, man?
Jordan, man.
Jordan, man. Nice to meet you, bro.
Man, I'm gonna keep peeping you, man.
It's love, man. Good looking out, gang.
And literally, man, I actually had my mom's. She was like, because I sent it to her.
Right.
Because I need her to get in the bike. I was like, man, you go ahead and buy some of this merch,
you better go get in the win. Hey, yeah.
You got it,
no, that part, man. It's love, man. I appreciate you, bro.
No problem, man.
For sure. For sure. Meanwhile, we caught another little blue car in traffic again. My guy always in traffic. He always in traffic and roll some smoke, gang. You don't want to do it, gang. Come on, gang. Don't get me started, brother. Oh man, don't get me started, man. I be trying to chill, dude. I really be trying to chill. I'm telling y'all, I be trying to chill, and then he always want to go zoom with a zoom. So, you know, we in a lamb thing, man. We ain't about to play with this guy, man. Come on, gang. Ain't look good though. Slide. Another red lamb. Another red Lambo. Gotta see what's going on. We slide. I be trying to stall him out, y'all. I really be trying to stall him out. Ooh, they got a Raptor up there. I like that thing. That right, fresh. I miss my Raptor, man. That one actually look kind of like mine. Let's see if we can get on the side of it. Ooh, the Raptor want to get in the wind. It looked like he hitting the gas in that Raptor. That's what it looked like. That's what it looked like, at least. Oh, the Raptor, yeah, he hitting the gas for sure. Neat. Nice Raptor. That's cool. I ain't gonna hold you, man. It's fun how we turn a freaking simple ride to like a whole dang adventure.
You be rolling, ain't you?
Man, I be chilling, man. He be trying to be Speedy Gonzalez and
You be rolling. All you see is the Lambo, the red Lambo just going whoop, whoop, whoop.
Right, see, that's the first thing the police gonna see. Red limo.
You think you gonna ever change the color or not?
Yeah, I want to, but I'm impatient, man. They take too long.
True that.
That's the only thing.
You won't want to be all blacked out.
You feel me? I don't know. That's like kind of too subtle for me, you know? I gotta have some kind of, I don't know, maybe if I have some accents or something, maybe. We'll see. That
What's your
shit,
favorite color?
probably like a green or something like that.
So what if you do like all black and then paint the brake things green?
Yeah, probably like a fucking,
And then you can add like a little details to it.
yeah, green or blue. We had to get that together.
You talking about Aiden? A2.
Man.
How we was in traffic, man. Gang. Tell you.
Man, you know how to turn a simple trip to an adventure real fast.
Oh,
I ain't gonna
I'm
hold you.
smooth, boy. I know
All
how
we was just going to the next location.
We have fun in real life.
Yeah, I see what it is. Back to back in big forms, man. Come on, gang.
All right, y'all. Hey, man, we lit, but I be going crazy.
Yeah, that shit was fun.
They can't fuck with me, man.
Alrighty, guys. Next day here is still pouring down, but it's time for our ATL bike to head up out of here and our Jacksonville, Florida bike to head up out of here. So I'm actually about to get the front of this situated, get the turn signals on there, get the speakers pretty much screwed in, speaker covers on there, seat on there, and we should be good to go along with the crash bar, man. So we're gonna pull that thing out, replace it with this, put that one in the corner, and just get this thing 100%. And then this one is already ready to go, man. So let's get this show on the road real quick. I swear, trying to put these bikes together without the freaking parts we need, man, it's just like, it's so freaking like just draining, bro. Like, you literally can't get no work done without the freaking parts you need. And then you go to every Harley out here and they still don't got the parts you need, bro. So it's like, living out here is cool, but trying to build a freaking bike out here, it takes like 3 to 4 times as long, bro. It's like so ridiculous, man. So gotta get this stuff situated, man. Gotta go to the hardware store, get some stuff to put this license plate light on there. We got our turn signals for it. However, we don't got this plastic piece right here, man. So hopefully my buddy has one. Otherwise, man, this bike is gonna be waiting on nothing. Alrighty, guys, I did a lot of stuff off camera. We got the turn signals on here. However, I need one little plastic piece to put the other turn signal on there. So we're waiting on that in the mail. If my buddy's got one, then that's great. But we do got the windshield and everything on there, waiting to put the speaker covers on there when we put this turn signal on there for the final time. Just need that and then a seat and that'll be complete. We'll probably switch this crash bar out right now just so we can get that done and out the way. Meanwhile, like I said, I did do a lot of stuff off camera, man. I actually started working on this one again. I don't know what's been up, guys, but I have not been feeling it. But we actually got the back end complete. We can throw the bags on there now. The gas tank is right there. We just got to get the fuel pump put in it. And then the front is pretty easy. We got the bolts for the fairing and all that. And then we just got to route these wires and get our new bars and new brake lines and stuff like that. Really not a big deal. But when you think about it too much, it feels like it becomes a big deal, man. So got a lot of little stuff to do up front. But meanwhile, the best part and the hardest part rather is done, man. The back end is finished. I'm gonna actually put the bags on this thing in a second, but just wanted to bring y'all up to speed real quick. So now that we got this one pretty much situated, we'll just go throw that crash bar on there real quick. I'll bring that bike up and then we'll put the bags on it and see where we are. Just like that, we got this thing kind of looking like something. We got that back end finished up. Now you guys know this thing is lower than usual. The right shock is missing, so it's dropping the back end of the bike really low. I got another shock I got to put it on. Did just want to see what this thing is going to look like. We got new exhaust too. I know you guys are looking like, all right, man, you just gonna keep that exhaust on there? So we got new exhaust for it, new shocks. We got to put the fuel pump from the other fuel tank in this bike, get this whole dash situated and complete. I got some bars. However, this riser clamp is like smaller than the bars I've got. So I got to see what else I got over there. If not, I just got to order some bars today. I think I want some chrome lowers on this and then maybe the same color cups, if not black. We'll see what we can do there. It is starting to look like something, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Starting to look like something, man. This one's gonna be paired together with our matching wide body Hellcat, man. So a little bit more work to do on this. Actually just gotta pick a day out and just really just tackle it and say forget it, but that day is coming. However, so far so good. It is looking almost like something, man. So y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. It's a movie, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. We was all over the place today, but more than anything, man, we got our Atlanta bike ready to go, and then we are literally like a part or two from our CVO getting sent off. But more than that, man, we did take some time and spend on our 2020 Rogue Glide right here. Now I'm actually about to be sending them to my boy so he can do the fuel pump, do the bars and all that good stuff. So by the time we get it back, it'll be looking like pretty much a complete bike in the next couple of days, man. So I'm gonna actually have my guy come pick that thing up, and then he'll be tackling the rest of that for me. So I can't wait for that. That'll just give me some more time to do what I need to do around here. Meanwhile, our CVO and our Atlanta bike should be getting picked up in the next couple days. Hopefully the part comes for the CVO before the transporter comes. Otherwise, we'll just have to wait till it comes back and get that thing 100%. So we'll see what's going on, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole UNI giveaway, man, you guys know what time it is. We're giving away our 2020 Silverado dually truck right here on them 26-inch Forgiatos, paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Rogue Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a Hellcat wide body and a bike for second place, man. Meanwhile, third place, you know we got the Road Glides on deck. So third place, you will receive a Road Glide, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either one of these Jones, all you guys got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go support your boy by copping an Everything's Regular wallet. It's only $35 today, man. You might want to go get in because you never know. It could be you next riding off in this truck and this bike or sliding off in that Hellcat, man. All it takes is a little bit of support. So head on over there right now and go get your Everything Regular wallet while you can, because we are almost sold out with the wallets. And then once the wallets are gone, they are gone, man. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate y'all, man. It's freezing out here, but we got a lot of work done in the garage today. So I appreciate y'all tuning in. Until next time, man, it is a movie.